In this video we will see the PO-based goods receipt note. Earlier we have released a PO number 148. Let's assume goods is being supplied against this PO and we will see how simple it is to make a GRN. System alerts you in case you are making a duplicate GRN. There are several purchase types for accounting purposes, like purchase, services, stock adjustment, etc. You can book this GRN against a sales order too, so that project costing can be monitored. To monitor how much expense is made against that sales order, simpliRP facilitates by bringing all the PO issued to that particular supplier. It also means you can invert material for many PO in single GRN. It will allow you to invert only those material in the selected PO, so that there is a check on non-PO items. The advantage in simpliRP is you enter the heat number or sales order batch number for future traceability purposes. System also helps you with auto-generated FIFO-based batch number. simpliRP automatically brings in price from PO. simpliRP automatically brings in price from PO. Also it helps you with the previous discount offered by the supplier. Once all items are entered, we can confirm and print the GRN. simpliRP helps you in generating the barcode for that item. It will generate that many quantity received in that GRN. GRN can be printed or saved as PDF also. One more advantage is, during a purchase entry, simpliRP will show last 10 previous purchase prices, from 10 different suppliers, for an item code. Also, it will show you the previous discount offered to us. When you again go to PO status page, it will now show you items supplied against that PO and balance pending for that PO. The items supplied will automatically get added into the stock also. There is a separate video for stock checking also. Please have a glance on that video too. The day book will also show the GRN supplied on that day. Also you can update the PO status with whatever discussions you had with that supplier, so that in future, you will know complete history of that supplier, his behavioral pattern and supply history. Even conversations can be captured. Management will get all info regarding supplier in this page itself. You can also see various stock and purchase related reports are available. In that mainly, party-wise purchase report will be very helpful. You can filter by item or by supplier. When we visit the sales order costing page, these purchases will be added to the cost incurred for a particular sales order or a project. Example, in this sales order we have incurred 2,18,000 in purchases. You can also click that GRN and view. It will also shows what are the pending deliveries for a particular PO. Advantage with simpliRP is, in the front dashboard itself, you will be able to know the important info like what is purchase price increase or trend in the last 60 days. Also, simpliRP shows you how much total PO released, total purchases made, etc. in first page itself. To know about more features, please call us. simpliRP is the most robust way to manage your purchases. Thank you.